Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to draw a circle and use constraint diameter in FreeCAD. So first, if you want to do it, you need to create here an empty project, and then you need to go to part design. Here we need to create a body, so I click on it. I need to create a sketch, I click on it, and I use here this one plane, XY plane. I click OK button. And now we need to draw here a circle, so I click on this one icon and I select here create circle by center. Now I draw circle somewhere here and I click on it to create it. And if you want to use constraint diameter settings, you need to click on this one icon and you need to select here constraint diameter. I click on it and then I click on this one circle and I need to insert here diameter. For example, I type here 40. And I press OK. And of course, if you would like to enable reference, you need to click double time on this one circle, and then you need to check your reference, and now you need to click OK button, and how you see it has been successfully added here. So in this way you can draw a circle and use constraint diameter in FreeCAD. If I helped you, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.